Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aether token. Ticker symbol is ATH, which is like all-time high. It's kind of a cool ticker symbol. Their Twitter I'm going to put up right here at Aether Cloud. You'll see it's a very popular project. 869,200 Twitter followers. That's a very big following. And basically, this token just went live today, June 4th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the Aether token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it has a huge following on Twitter, because if you have a look at their roadmap, they started working on this project basically back in 2021. So this has been around a long time here. So in 2021, they published the inaugural white paper, according to their roadmap. 2022, they achieved the first AAA blockchain game integration, launched 21 globally distributed nodes, added Arthur Hayes to the advisory board, and secured seed funding. Then in 2023, they secured pre-A funding, launched a testnet, PC and mobile demo platform was launched. And then this year, the token generation event. So this is a brand new token this year. And then launch Aether's public gaming platform. So this is a gaming project. And then onboard 1 million gamers on Aether's infrastructure. So they've been in the news on VentureBeat, Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, Tech in Asia, and The Block. Now, it was just announced, too, that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, June 4th. So it is available now for pre-market trading, it says, on Gate. So it says trading has already been enabled. And you can get this token by downloading Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or by getting it on your PC at gate.io and then opening an account. And then going to the pre-market trading section, searching ATH, the ticker symbol, and then you can get the token. Now, there's special instructions on gate.io. If you didn't understand how I explained that, because that was, kind of a vague explanation, but, you could read more in depth on their webpage after opening an account. Now, it says join us for AMAs, so they do Ask Me Anythings on their Twitter, so that's a good idea to follow their Twitter. It says download some alpha about the upcoming TGE during the Edge public sale, Thursday, June 6th, 2:30 p.m. UTC time. You can learn more about this project by listening to an Ask Me Anything. So if you follow this Twitter right here as well, again, it is at Aether Cloud, gold verified checkmark, almost 3,000 tweets. You'll be able to see more central exchange or decentralized exchange listings as they pop up on the socials here. So it says building scalable decentralized cloud infrastructure, DCI for gaming and AI. It has a link to their Discord, and then it also has a link to their Telegram. Now, their Telegram has 252,961 subscribers, so huge following, just like the Twitter. Then on their webpage, you can find blog articles. They have Medium articles. They have a document section, newsletter, checker node info, checker sale info, ecosystem explorer. They have the community events, career section, team section, gaming solutions, AI solutions. So they have, Medium articles that you could check out as well. Tons of information. So basically, Aether is a cloud computing infrastructure platform that revolutionizes the ownership, distribution, and utilization paradigms of enterprise-grade graphical processing units, GPUs. By moving away from traditional centralized models, Aether has deployed a scalable and competitive framework for sharing distributed computational resources, catering to enterprise applications and clientele across various industries and regions. At its core, Aether optimizes GPU utilization for compute-extensive domains and applications like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cloud gaming, amongst several others. This is achieved through a two-pronged approach. Resource pooling. Owners can contribute their underutilized GPUs to Aether's network, actively forming a collective pool of potent computing resources. This enables global GPU distribution at significantly reduced costs, democratizing access to advanced computational power, and decentralized ownership. So Aether's model transcends the limitations of traditional ownership structures by enabling distributed resource possession. This fosters a more equitable and open technological landscape, dismantling barriers to entry for new consumers, opening new economic opportunities, and contributing to a globally diverse and interconnected digital ecosystem. Aether offers a cloud computing architected with a distributed GPU framework specifically designed to address the demand processing requirements of industries like gaming, AI, model training, and inference. This architecture seamlessly integrates disparate GPU clusters into a unified network, demonstrably increasing cluster sizes and improving reliability and infrastructure resilience. This renders Aether's ideal for uniting geographically dispersed resources to tackle large-scale AI workloads, reducing global reliance on incumbent cloud leaders. Aether's commitment to decentralization extends beyond mere resource ownership. Its geographically distributed infrastructure transcends the inherent limitations of centralized solutions, ensuring broader accessibility and laying the groundwork for the necessary evolution of maturation of the GPU cloud. In essence, Aether represents a paradigm shift in the future of computing resource allocation. So this token here is basically live for pre-market trading on Gate. And like I said, if you follow their socials, you'll be able to see more listings coming in the future. So if you can't use Gate or you don't want to use Gate, just stay tuned. More info on the TGE will be announced on their socials. So let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.